Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its heated front seats. You have your power moonroof along with your power sliding rear doors. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this 2015 Toyota Sienna XLE all-wheel drive. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and as you can see, you do have your hood deflector. Over on the side, you have the 18-inch aluminum alloy wheels, foldable mirrors, as well as your heated mirrors, window visor guards on all four sets of windows, and then on the inside of the driver's side, well, on the inside of the mirror, I should say, you have your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting if there is another vehicle right beside you. Taking a closer look just at the rear cargo space, as you can see, you do have the second row captain seats. Sunshade visors located in the third and second row windows. And then if you take a look just on the side here, you'll find the close button. Just push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now parents, if you're worried about your kids or yourself getting your arm or hand jammed to the door, it has the jam protection feature. So in the event that the door does sense there's an obstruction in the way, it'll open itself back up automatically. And then if you just pull on the handle once more on the outside, it will close the door for you automatically. Taking a closer look just at the front dash as well as your front seats, you have your gray interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support. Traction control on and off, rear parking sensors on and off, blind spot monitoring, mirror controls and window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now you have your volume control as well as your seek function, mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth connectivity, scroll function for the multi-informational display with the cruise control, and you do have the push button start. So all you have to do is push a foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So taking a closer look, you have your all-wheel drive with your fuel economy on here, distance to empty. You can also go through and take a look at your audio control, messages, and settings menu just so you can personalize everything for yourself. Exterior temperature gauge. Taking a closer look at the center dash area, you do have your navigation, audio phone, as well as a couple of other additional features. Hazard lights, temperature control settings for the dual zone climate control with your rear temperature controls located down below. Mounted to an automatic transmission, heated seat controls for your driver and passenger with the USB and auxiliary input, your power outlets, and then if we take a closer look at the top here, you have the auto dimming rear view mirror with the integrated garage door opener controls and digital compass, open and close for the power sliding rear doors, power lift gate, power moonroof controls, and then taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines in there, making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now located on your rear bumper, you're going to find your parking sensors located right across. On the back of the tailgate, you have the backup camera, and then you'll find the rear hatch release located just underneath. Closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the rear seat, so in the event that you need the additional space, it's available to you. If you're not sure how the seats fold or unfold, the instructions are located on the back of the seat. And then if you take a look on the right-hand side, you'll find the power outlet, and then over on your left, you have some additional space for some smaller items. When you're all finished up, all you have to do is just push on the button on the back of the tailgate once, and it will close for you automatically. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.